In this video, you will learn about how to clean the Survivor Filter Pro. Once you have used your Survivor Filter Pro for an extended period of time, you can follow these cleaning instructions. After you have disassembled your Survivor Filter Pro, clean these parts with warm soapy water and place them on a paper towel to dry. Then, take the Ultra Filter Pre-Filter and the internal Ultra Filter and soak them in a combination of vinegar and warm water. Do not soak the carbon filter in vinegar, as this can damage the carbon fibers. Instead, soak the carbon filter in warm water. When the Ultra filters have been soaked in vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes, you can then rinse them with warm water to get rid of the vinegar. Shake out the excess water from the Ultra filters and place them on paper towel to dry completely. Do the same with the carbon filter. Once you start to notice the flow rate of your filter decreasing, you can try backwashing the Ultra Filter Pre-Filter. We have created another video only about backwashing the Survivor Filter Pro, which you can take a look at on our YouTube channel. You can then reassemble the filter once everything is completely dry and place in storage. Thank you for watching this video. You can check out our website and YouTube channel for other helpful information about the Survivor Filter Pro.